Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly use one of the best features of Google Docs to translate an English document into a Spanish document. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me. Let's get started. I have some colleagues in Central America. I want to share a copy of this document instantly translated into Spanish. This is how to do it. Open the document in Google Docs, go to Tools, select Translate Document, and then choose the language. And I'm going to scroll down until I find Spanish. And there it is right there. So select it, click Translate. If it's a really long document, it might take a minute or so, but this was a pretty short document. It translated it into Spanish. Now, I'm not a Spanish speaker, so I can't tell the quality of it, but if I just want to give some of my colleagues an idea of what I'm talking about, this is perfectly fine. If it was going to be going out into public or maybe used like as real marketing copy on the product, I'd have a native speaker review it and just make it sound a little bit smoother. It's a very basic translation, but it's good enough for many purposes. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to in30minutes.com, that's my official website, look for our book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, or other titles that we sell. Thank you so much for watching.